The decision on whether the state executes convicted killer Ralph Menzies by firing squad in 2 weeks now lies in the hands of the state Supreme Court.
Yeah, today the justices heard arguments from the defense and prosecutors in the 40-year-old case. Ariel Harrison was at the hearing, joins us live outside the Matheson courthouse with more tonight. Ariel.
Mark and Heidi, today's hearing focused on two key things, really. One, was the district court's competency ruling correct? And two, should the judge have stayed the execution because of the pending appeal before this court?
The Utah Supreme Court is now in session.
Ralph Menzies' defense team was first up before court. A main argument surrounding the progression of his dementia and the June 6th competency ruling.
It's an illness like this, where you just indicated it is gradual, that it changes over time. How would you determine whether that change then is substantial?
It's largely a common sense determination. The district court, his finding was that the changes weren't substantial. No one had previously described Mr. Menzies as staring blankly, as not being there, as unable to register a very simple 5-minute conversation. That was brand new.
The state addressed the justices next, doubling down on protected phone calls Menzies made post-June 6th.
Do you think for someone to be capable of engaging in such a kind of rudimentary conversation and at the same time be incapable of understanding, consistent with the standard for competency to be executed?
I don't think so. I think that the telephone calls are the best evidence of his cognitive functioning. It's providing a window into Menzies' actual functioning outside of the clinical setting.
Phone calls aside, the defense feels strongly there's not one but two reasons to delay execution.
One was a result of the appeal of the initial competency determination by the district court, which is not yet final unless it's affirmed on appeal by this court. And the second automatic stay, we believe, was in place because a petition for other relief was pending, which is the one we've been arguing about this morning.
There's a lot of statutes discussions.
Matt Hunsaker was a young boy when his mother, Maureen, was murdered by Menzies. He says this Supreme Court hearing is the last hurdle for his family.
Now that the death warrant's on the table and everybody's up against the wall, things are moving at miraculous speeds. You're seeing filings daily. This is forcing their hand to do something, and I do believe Judge Bates did what was right.
Now, the high courts took both sides of this argument under advisement today. They did not give an indication at what time we should expect or they will make that ruling. We'll be keeping an eye on it, though, of course. But for now, reporting live from the Matheson Courthouse in downtown, Ariel Harrison, KUTV 2 News.
Including Ralph Menzies, Utah currently has 4 inmates on death row. The others are Vaughn Lester Taylor, Michael Anthony Archuleta, and Troy Kell. Last year there were 6, but courts overturned the death sentences for Douglas Carter and Douglas Lovell.